Hello, today we are going to solve some question from UGC NET Paper 1. So our first question is, which of the following best describe a Wikipedia? And the options are a system that allows users to add information onto a website but does not change any pre-existing information, or it is a system that allows collaborative modification of its content and structure directly from the web browser, or it is a system that serves as a publicly accessible personal journal for an individual, or lastly a system that monitors the modification of content with a block. Okay, so as we know, the correct option is the option B, which is a system that allows collaborative modification of its content and structure directly from the web browser. Now let's see next question. So this is the next question. The question says that which of the following 5-year plans of India has given special emphasis on education and manpower? Is it third year plan, or is it third 5-year plan, or it is fourth 5-year plan, or second 5-year plan, or it is fifth 5-year plan? So the correct answer is the fourth 5-year plan. The fourth 5-year plan emphasized on the education and manpower by the expansion of the educational sector, by the expansion of the education sector, improvement of the teacher, etc. Okay, therefore the correct answer is the option B. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.